Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the Cooking Nurse, and in today's video we're going to be making some spring rolls. It's simply a continuation of the previous video, so if you haven't watched it, please kindly go back and watch that video. Learn how to make the pockets or the sheets, and this one will be easier. They're just spring rolls. You can use whatever vegetables or filling you prefer. And yeah, I'm just going to shred some cabbage and some carrots and then mix them together. As I said, it was just a continuation of the samosa video, so I just used the vegetables that were available, but also these are the most common. So if you want more than this, please go on ahead and do how you like it. So I'm just going to mix them so they are well, distributed, and then I'll melt about 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter on medium heat, and then I'll add in some extra virgin olive oil to enhance the flavor. So I'm really impatient, I think, so that's why I'm always helping the butter to melt away quickly. Anyways, the olive oil is really optional, but it adds in that flavor that I love. So if you can, please do. And I'm just going to add in the shredded vegetables, and with gentle heat, the moisture and steam, the cabbage is going to soften up and will be good to go. It depends on how you want to season your filling, so I'm just using salt and white pepper, but you can go extra if you really want to. And at this moment, I would love to request that if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you so much. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Leave me a comment. It really helps me grow, and I would love that. We are growing, and I love that for us, right? So thank you so much. Share this video with your friends or my previous videos if you think they would use the information I share, and also follow me on my socials, Instagram, and let's get personal. The Cooking Nurse always. Anyways, we are just going to get our pockets, and we get the pointed side facing us, and then put the small filling and roll at least twice, and then fold in. They're supposed to be a little bit, okay, this size, like this small, but you can make bigger ones if you want. So that means you're going to have to make bigger pockets, bigger sheets. So just fold and use our flour and water glue to bind them together, and you can use cooking oil, hot cooking oil, and deep fry, or bake them in the oven. I'm just going to use the air fryer and have them going, because it was after the samosa video, guys. I was tired. But anyways, that's it. That is how you make spring rolls. If you did not know how to make them, they are a good snack. They are really good if you have enough filling. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching up until this time. Share this video if you think someone would need it, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll be seeing you soon in my next videos. Bye.